Welcome to Lesson 84, Order of Operations Part 2. Our objective is I can evaluate the orders of operations. So I come across this formula in the wild and we say, what is it? Well, what's it equal to? Well, there's a lot of seemingly random symbols in here. I don't really know what they mean. Well, let's take a look at our order of operations pyramid. The first thing we want to do are our parentheses, or anything that looks like a parenthesis. Sometimes they're square brackets, right? Sometimes they're square-ish. Sometimes they're curly brackets, right? But we just want to treat them all the same as parentheses. With parentheses, we start on the inside and we work our way out like the layers of an onion. Start on the inside, work our way out. Next will be exponents. We'll be looking at these in future years, not this year, in the future, but I want you to know that they're there. There's stuff that looks like 3 to the 4th power, 6 to the 8th power, and the square root of 25. We're going to look at those in a future year, so we don't have to worry about them right now. Next, we have multiplication and division. This we know how to do, right? We're going to do that third. We're going to do all of our multiplication and division that we can from left to right. Then fourth, we're going to do our addition and subtraction from left to right. As long as we follow this 4-step plan, we will be good to go. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to try this one together. So, I don't have any parentheses, so I don't need to worry about them. Remember, the next one is exponents, but I don't have any of those either. However, I do have some multiplication and division, so I am going to do that next. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 6 is 12. Next, I can add and subtract from left to right. 16 plus 12. Ooh, that seems like a hard one. That's 28. And I'm done. Okay, go ahead and try this one on your own. Pause the video, and I'll see you in a second. Now that you've tried that one on your own, let's do it together. So remember the orders of my operations. I look for any parentheses. Looks like I don't have any. Next comes the exponents. Also don't have any. Then after that, multiplication and division from left to right. So these guys are getting, I have 2 sets of multiplication and division, so I'm going to do that first. I'm going to leave what I'm not using alone. So 0.5 divided by 0.5 is 1. 0.5 times 0.5 is 0.25. Now what I want to do is do addition and subtraction from left to right. So that'll be 0.5 plus 1 is 1.5. Now I want to subtract that 0.25. 1.5 minus 0.25 is 1.25. Okay, let's do this one together. Now I do have some parentheses, so I have to work inside of them first. So I'm going to do whatever's inside first. So 8 plus 6, that's 14. So I'm done inside of the parentheses. But I have this guy sitting outside. I have this 2 sitting outside. Which means what I need to do is multiply. Once I've done everything inside of the parentheses, then I multiply by whatever's attached to the parenthesis. 2 times 14, that's 28. And I'm done. Go ahead and try this one on your own. Pause the video, and I'll see you in a second. Now that you've tried it on your own, let's do it together. So I have 32 plus 1.8 times 20. Okay, first thing I want to do is do this multiplication right here. 1.8 times 20. Ooh, I might need to pull out a calculator for that one. So I pull out my calculator. Of course, my Casio FX260 Solar. 1.8 times 20. And I'll get 36. I have this 32 that I didn't touch, and now I can add it. 32 plus 36 is 68. 68. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.